Hello Rangashe, so tá ceathnú os argor iniu savata. The new topic is division and it's on Lahnach Octa Oct page 88. It's a revision really of short and long division that we've done previously before Christmas, but mainly today we're going to be focusing on short division. So if you look here at part B, the ones I would like you to do are all the orange ones. So A, B, C, D on 1, A, B, C, D on 2, and then just 3A. So these 4 on 1 and these 4 on 2 are all short division, and then 3A is going to be long division. Okay, so just a little recap. One sec. Here's one I prepared earlier, like the chefs. Okay, just a little recap. You know it's a short division if there's one digit outside the division sum. Okay, and then it's just straightforward. 6 into 1 doesn't go, carry your 1 over. 6 into 15 goes twice, remainder 3. 6 into 36 goes 6. That's your answer for that one. Another example. This one again we know is short division because it's got one digit outside the division sum. But this one has got a multiple place or a decimal point. So if it's got a decimal point when you're dividing, straight away you deal with it. It's different to the multiplication which you leave till the very end. Straight away you deal with it and you pop it directly above. Just pop it directly above and that's it, dealt with. So 7 into 4 doesn't go, carry your 4. 7 into 44 goes 6, remainder 2. 7 into 21 goes 3, and that's your answer for that. Is that okay? So you should be fine in the short division. Now, just looking back on long division, I heard a good little tool recently, or a little kind of rhyme to remind you lately what to do when long division, okay? Dad, mom, brother, sister. So think of it that way. The men always first. Dad, man, brother, sister. That's the order you do it in. Divide, multiply, bring down, subtract. Okay, and I'll show you here so it makes more sense. We know that this is long division here because it's got 2 digits outside. Also very important here is your rough work column. Alright, so 31 into 5 doesn't go. 31 into 58, well, let's see in our rough work, 31 times 2 is 262, so that's too much. So it's going to be 1 times. Okay, so it's going to be 31 times 1, and then we put a 31 down here. Okay, so we've divided, okay, then we multiplied. Now, we bring down, which we have, now we take this away here, 7, 27, bring down, which is our 9, and how many times, divide this into this, how many times will it go? 31 into 279, okay, I'm going to guess 9, okay, so 9 times 1 is 9, 9 times 3, 27. Okay, so that's a good estimate by me there. And then you put your 9 up here, then your 279 here, and take away, we get 0, 0, 0. That's how we know we're right. No remainders. Is that okay? So I'm going to do one more for you guys so you see it, okay? Again, 17 into 255. We know it's long division because we have 2 digits outside, and you know all this anyway. We've done loads of these before Christmas, so maybe just a little bit rusty, but you'll fly it when we get into it. 17 into 2 doesn't go. 17 into 25, well, that's easy, that's 1. Put down your 17. We take away, that's going to be 8. Bring down your 5. Okay, so how many times into our rough work column here? 17 into 85. Well, it ends in 5, so I'm going to multiply it by 5. Okay. 7 5s are 5, that's 35, 5 1s, 8. Good, so that's a good estimate again. So what I put up here is my 5. Sorry, can you see that there? Put up there is my 5. And what I put down here is my 85. And I know I'm correct because I'm left with 0, 0. Is that okay? So, what to remember, if it's got one digit outside the short division, and most of the ones you'll do today are short division, all of them except the very last one. If it's got 2 digits outside, it's long division. Okay, and just follow that sequence there. If you need to rewind this tape or go back over it, do so. Don't forget your rough work column as well. Very, very important when you're doing long division. So, what you have today are, like I said earlier, you have on page 88, we have all of 1, they're all short division. All of 2, they're all short division, but just they have a decimal, but just pop the decimal straight above straight away. And then 3A, which is only one short division, or long division. So just one long division to do today to get us back into the swing of it. Alright, And also, just mental maths are actually grand. I think I went through them. Nothing too difficult there. Just a few tricky ones I've pulled out here. Okay. Car travels 100 kilometers per hour for 350 kilometers. How many hours is the trip? Well, every hour it goes 100 kilometers. So after hour 1 it'll go 100, hour 2 it'll be 200, hour 3 it'll be 300, and then, well, we've got 50, so that's half of 100. So I'll let you decide what that is going to be. Question 16 is an odd enough looking one, but if we look at it here, you should understand it. 2.7, is it greater than 28 over 10? True or false? Well, 28 over 10 is the same as saying 2.8. So you tell me what the answer is there. And then 20, the very last one, which is better value? Now, like I always say, you can't compare which is cheaper unless you have the same unit. So we need to divide or multiply these rows to get them together, the same thing together. So looking at these both here, I think it would suit if we brought them both to 250 grams. So I'm going to divide all the top row by 2, because that's going to bring me to 250, and I'm going to divide all the bottom row by 3, because that's going to bring me to 250 there. Okay, so you should be able to figure that out. €2 divided by 2, what's that? 270 divided by 3, what's that? And then you should be able to see which is cheaper. Okay, I hope that all makes sense, guys. So just take your time, give it a go. All this stuff we've done before. Okay, all we've done before, so don't panic, just give it a go, work nice and slowly. If you have any problems at all, please ask me and I will be back to you in jig time. Alright, so give it a go. We have 9 ones to do on Planet Maths, so 8 short division, 1 long division, and then our mental maths is normal. And don't forget to do the Monday problems on mental maths. They're the ones that make us